Hello people, today in this video I'll show you how to easily find every single video you have liked on TikTok before. Now TikTok is a pretty cool app. We use it for hours scrolling down and liking videos, but most of us don't know where are those videos kept, where do they go. In this video I'll show you exactly that, so follow up with me. First we open up the TikTok app and go ahead and scroll down again and like more videos. And then to find these videos and the videos I have liked before, we'll have to go to profile by tapping the profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, we're just gonna have to tap on that little heart icon on the right in the middle of the screen. And that is where you find all of the videos you have liked before on that account. It also says here that these videos are private, nobody else can see them but you can always change that on the privacy settings. I hope this video was helpful. Now as usual, don't forget to like and comment down below. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future solutions to such tech problems. Thank you for watching.